Welcome to my channel. Let us look at this equation from laws of logarithms. So we have that solve for x in the equation half log to base 2 of 81 plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to 1. So the first thing we need to note is that we should be dealing with all logs or all numbers. So in this case, this is a number and the others are logs. So we're going to write this particular number to become a log. So from laws of logarithms, we know that if the base and the number are the same, then that log is equal to 1. So it therefore means that we can rewrite 1 to be log to base 2 of 2 because it is the same as 1, so that we deal with uniform terms. So you can write the equation as 1 over 2 log to base 2 over 81 plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So from there, we can apply the third law of logarithms in the first term. So according to the third law, if you have n log of a, you can write that as log of a raised to power n. So you can use that for the first term in this particular equation, so that we have log to base 2 over 81 raised to power half plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So according to the laws of indices, if you have a raised to power half, that is the same as the root of a. So it means in this case we just require the square root of 81. So we can do that, so that we have log to base 2, the root of 81 is 9, plus log to base 2 of x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So from there we can apply the first law of logarithms. Because there's a sum between these two logs, we can take the first law that says that if you have log of a plus log of b is the same as the log of a, b. So we have here that is log to base 2 of 9 times x squared minus x over 3 is equal to log to base 2 of 2. So from there we have log to base 2 of a number and log to base 2 of a number, and they are equal. So it means even the numbers are equal. So we can say that 9 into x squared minus x over 3 is the same as 2. So we can open up this bracket so that we have 9x squared minus 3x is equal to 2. So this is just a quadratic equation, that is 9x squared minus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So you can solve this using any method. Let us use factorization method. So for us to use factorization method, we are going to look for two numbers whose sum is the same as b, and b in this case is negative 3, and their product should be the same as a times c, that is negative 18. So you'll find that these two numbers are negative 6 and positive 3. So now we can solve for x. We just rewrite this equation, but this time we're going to break negative 3 into negative 6 and 3. So we're going to have 9x squared minus 6x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So if that is the case, we have a common factor here, that is 3x. So we have 3x into 3x minus 2. So we expect 3x minus 2 this side, and for us to have obtained negative 2, it means we multiply this by positive 1, and that's equal to 0. So we have 3x plus 1 times 1 of this, that is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So for this product to be equal to 0, it means either the first one or the second one is equal to 0. So we can take that 3x plus 1 is equal to 0, so that 3x is equal to negative 1 and x equal to negative 1 over 3. Or we could take that 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. So that 3x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 2 over 3. So x is either negative a third or positive 2 over 3.